Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, this video we are going to talk about some of the crypto multimillionaires, and basically they made it really big by staying in the game and from a really low point, from a significantly low sum of money. And the reason to make this particular video is to make sure that the people who are watching it have their hopes reignited. Whatever situation that you may be in, whatever loss that you may have faced, just because like you are in the crypto industry, you are still here, it is going to ensure that you are actually going to make it big in the coming times. So the first story, is just a simple guy. He's just like a guy next door within the crypto. Not a lot of people know via the name That Martini Guy. He is on the Twitter. So in 2018, this is what he reveals. During the bear market, he had less than $1,000 at one point of time, and during the period of time, like, he happened to actually make up till $70,000 by staying in the game during the bull run. But guess what? During the mid bull run that happened in 2019, he happened to lose all that $70,000 because, like, some of the bad decisions, so much of the things, like, we all know the stories of losing, right? Like, probably we might have lost a lot as well during the current downfall within the crypto and the Bitcoin. Having said that, this guy actually, after losing it all, right now, long story short, he's a multi-millionaire. And basically he reveals one of the coin that he put probably $8,000 on, and he got 300x on that. So basically, if you try to do 300x on $8,000, that becomes $2.4 million. So right now he's a multi-millionaire, and it was all possible. Like, this is the only industry where you get such an exponential growth. You just have to stick year on year to pass through the cycle. After the bear cycle, the bull cycle, and then the bear cycle and the bull cycle. If you have this two of the crossing period, you will make a significantly big sum of money that probably you cannot make in a lot of places. And this is what happened with this guy. The second guy, Ben Armstrong, he's known via the name BitBoy Crypto. You all might have heard him, right? Onto the YouTube, like, he's one of the YouTuber who's having, like, one of the only few YouTubers who's having 1 million subscriber plus in the crypto space. So he revealed by September of 2019, he had just slight less than $10,000. In fact, I happened to watch one of his videos in 2019 earlier. He lost $2,400 via hack, and he was really upset about it in the videos. He was like, it's a big chunk of money for him. And then he reveals by September 2020, like 1 year down the line, he had just less than $1 million. He was like from $10,000 to $1 million he was about to reach. And by September 2021, after the bull run, his portfolio was $26 million. So this is what we are talking about. 2 years from less than $10,000 to $26 million. Yes, and all of this is possible within the crypto space. Then another guy, Meta Cohen, we all might have heard him. Like, we all know the $69 million NFT that was sold, right? From the Beeple, the $69 million NFT was sold by this Indian guy Vignesh, also known as Meta Cohen. So before joining the crypto space in 2014, like, he was struggling to even get a laptop. Why? Because, like, he did not have money for that. And guess what? Right now he's a multi-billionaire. So long story short, having said that, there is this guy, famous YouTuber, Carl from the Moon. He used to work in a grocery shop 5 years back. Chris Crypto, he was a taxi driver 5 years back. Both of them are multi-billionaires right now, like billionaires at least right now, owning some of the best of the luxuries items that people can think of. You can go and watch their Instagrams. So, I mean, guys, all of this is true. And the only secret that you can see is that you just don't have to give up. Do not think that the cycles have already passed. The people who went from 2014 till 2017, the new people entering also thought the same thing, that whatever money had to be made has made. But do not think right now, like right now, the biggest opportunity of your lifetime and everything is crushing down. Just wait for the bull run. You just have to wait year on year. Commit yourself for the next 4 years. You are going to stay in this industry no matter what. And let me tell you guys, I mean, your story would be no different than these guys. This is what is common between these people. These people stayed in the game year after year. They went through the bear cycle, they went through the bull cycle, and then they went through another bear cycle and a bull cycle. So you need 2 cycle repetition to make that significant sum of money. The first cycle, you will make the capital. The second cycle, you will turn that capital into wealth. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. And I hope that you found the video helpful. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. What do you think about the scenarios? What do you think? Staying in the game is a logical step or not? Please do comment down below your take on it, your thoughts on it. I'll want to read each one of your comments. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.